I'm going to show you another way to approach this that, in my way, my way of thinking is slightly easier, um, because we have to do this list slicing, this the string slicing here to create to overwrite the text with bits from the original string and then our new character and then the part after it. It would actually be nicer if we could just simply modify the value at that position. And we could do that if we, instead of treating text, new text as a string, we make it into a list because lists are mutable. And here we've chosen our new character, and that's going to be the same. And now we can actually say that our new text um, at position index is equal to our new character that we select. What that's going to, you have to remember that this is going to give us a list. So if we run this, for instance, it's going to give us this list. So we need to join that back together on, let's see, how will I do this? Um, I am running into a problem with the quotes, so let's just make new text equal to joining on the empty string of new text, and we'll just turn it into a string. That'll be easy enough. And then if I run this, I see that it generates the same string. Let me make sure that it works under test conditions. So either way of using string slicing and keeping new text as a bit of as a string and then joining those bits together, or changing it into a list and then mutating the list at that index, they both work. They both produce the same output. This to me is a little more readable, but your mileage may vary. So that is those are my two solutions for the telephone. I hope you enjoyed seeing how that works.